Hi everyone, Cher here. Today I have kind of an exciting video that I'd like to share with you. Last summer, around this time actually, I put up a video showing how I make my yummy vanilla ice cream in my KitchenAid ice cream maker. And that video was actually very well received. I couldn't believe how many views that actually got and how many awesome comments were left and so many questions were asked. It was great, and I really appreciated all the interest in that video. So today actually I'm going to be doing kind of like an experiment, because just very recently I had someone ask me if I had ever made a non-dairy option of ice cream in my KitchenAid maker, and I have not. And a kind of little light bulb went off, because I'm like, why have I never thought to do that? Because I myself actually am lactose intolerant. I do have the occasional ice cream, regular ice cream, yogurt and things like that. I am able to get away with eating a little bit of it, but I can tell that it definitely does not agree with me, and I know many people out there have the same issue. And so I myself have actually been drinking this cashew milk from Silk for many years now, and I absolutely love it. It is so tasty. And there's like in this brand, particular one that I get this one that's only 25 calories per cup. You can also get it with a vanilla flavor. Sometimes that one's hard to find, so this one doesn't have it in, but like I say, sometimes I can manage to find that one. And I just absolutely love this. I make myself a latte with this every single morning. I will also have it on my cereal, or I'll have it with my oatmeal. It is amazing product. I absolutely love it. I'm so glad that I stumbled upon it. I have tried almond milk and different, other soy milks and things like that. I do not like them. They have a really, I don't know, I just do not like the taste and the aftertaste that they have. But this silky, and it says right on here, creamy cashew, and it really is very creamy. So I'm thinking, why not try to make some ice cream out of this? I really don't know I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I have huge high hopes for this, because what a game changer this will be if it actually works. So I wanted to do a little comparison actually, as far as calories go and fat content go, with with making ice cream with this cashew milk as opposed to making it with heavy cream. So I kind of have a little calculation here that I did. Today I'm going to be using 3 cups of cashew milk. So I'm going to compare 3 cups of whipping cream to 3 cups of cashew milk, and you will be blown away by the difference in calories alone. So 1 cup, like I was saying, the cashew milk only has 25 calories. 1 cup of heavy cream has 821 calories, just for 1 cup. So holy moly. So when you start doing the math, this particular batch that I'm going to make today, I only put 1/2 cup of sugar, and I put 1 tablespoon-ish of vanilla, just to give it a little bit more flavor. So 1/2 cup of sugar has 387 calories. So when you add everything up with the 3 cups of cashew milk, and you compare it with the 3 cups of whipping cream and then the sugar, for a whole container, which of course we're not going to sit down and eat a whole container, but just to give you an idea of the difference, 462 calories with the cashew milk and 2,850 calories if you were to make it with the heavy whipping cream. So like I said, I have really high hopes that this is going to turn out, but I really have no idea what it's going to be like. So I thought I would bring you guys along on this little journey with me. So please stay tuned, and we'll see how this turns out. So here I have my special KitchenAid ice cream making bowl. I've just taken this out of my deep freeze, and this is how I keep it in there all the time. I just have it wrapped up in this clean garbage bag, basically, and this way it keeps it nice and clean. There's no crumbs or anything that go in there, and whenever I want to make fresh homemade ice cream, this is cold, it's clean, it's ready to go, and all I gotta do is just pull it out of the deep freeze and away we go. So this is what the bowl itself looks like. You can see that it is super cold. It's frozen, and that's what you want. You need this to be very chilled. And so I'm just going to go ahead and place this right onto my KitchenAid stand and kind of lock it into place. Now, the bowl actually comes with the little ice cream paddle, which is what you're going to put down inside here like this. And it comes with this little attachment here that's going to attach to the little paddle and make the paddle go around. So all you have to do is just give it a little push. There's little magnets inside here that will actually stick right onto your motor of your little KitchenAid here. And that's basically all you have to do as far as getting the ice cream bowl ready. Now I'm going to just show you the mixture. So here I have 3 cups of cashew milk. I have 1/2 a cup of white sugar and about a tablespoon of vanilla. And I have had this in the fridge. I mixed it up really well, and I've had it sitting in the fridge for, I don't know, an hour or so, because I wanted to make sure it was really, really cold, and I wanted to also make sure that all the sugar was dissolved and everything inside the cashew milk. So now, basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn the machine on. You want to get it going before you start putting your, whatever it is you're going to use to make your ice cream. So you just want to lower this down, line up the little gears. I'm going to lock this into place. And I'm going to turn it on to low. Sorry, it's going to be a little noisy here, but you want to get this going. And then I'm just going to slowly pour my mixture in. Oh, I hope this works. I'm so excited. This will either be a real fail or a real score. I don't know. Like I say, I have such high hopes for this. So this is going to take about probably 15 minutes or so. I don't usually ever really time it. You can just tell when it's ready. So I'm going to get all of this in here. There we go. And I'm going to let this just churn away, like I said, for about 15 minutes. And when we come back, hopefully we will have some amazing, creamy, yummy cashew milk. Fingers crossed, everybody. So my cashew concoction has been churning away here for about 5 minutes. And my initial thoughts on this ice cream doesn't exactly look all that appetizing, to be honest with you. It's kind of looking kind of crystally, you know. It's not, I knew it wasn't going to be as creamy as, you know, whipping cream, obviously. But I'm going to just let it continue to churn, and hopefully it will taste good. You know, I don't really care what it looks like, as long as it tastes good, right? That's all that really matters. So I will check back with you again in about another 10 minutes or so, and hopefully we will have a good result here. Here we go. This has been churning away now for, I'd say about 15, 16 minutes, and I think it's ready to taste test. So I'm going to go ahead and just turn this off. Okay, like I said, I have such high hopes for this. I really, really hope this tastes good. So the consistency, you can tell, it almost looks like cookie dough coming out of here. Like, it's not creamy. It's not like your typical ice cream. If you go back and watch my other video where I made the vanilla with full fat whipping cream, which I'll actually link that video, and so you can go check that one out if you like. But yeah, it's not the same consistency at all, which I didn't think it would be. So that's okay. I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead. It's almost like a sherbet or a sorbet or something like that, like a fresh fruit sorbet. That's the kind of consistency it kind of has, because it's kind of crystally. So there is my cashew milk ice cream, such as it is. And I am going to go ahead and give this a taste test. All right, here goes the test. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's not creamy, but it is really tasty. Like, you can taste a little bit of the cashew nut. It's definitely sweet enough. I wouldn't put any more than 1/2 cup of sugar. That's perfect. And I'm glad that I put the vanilla extract in there as well. It's actually really good. It's really good. I'm very impressed. So, great option for anyone that is looking for a non-dairy, vegan-friendly, much lower fat and calorie content ice cream. Is it creamy? No, it's not. So if that's what you're looking for, this isn't the ice cream for you, but it's really yummy. Definitely will be making this lots over the summer. Now, the ultimate test for this ice cream, if it's a win or a fail, is actually going to be whether or not Megan likes it, my daughter. She loves ice cream. She could eat ice cream every day. And you know what? If she thinks that this tastes pretty good, that will be definitely a win. So I'm just going to go grab her and see what she thinks of it. So I just dragged Megan out of her room. You know, typical teenager on summer holidays. Yeah, she
didn't want to get woken up.
She didn't want to get up. But anyway, I want her to try this because, yeah. What do you think of it just by looking at it? What do you think of it?
It looks like poo.
I haven't even told her really what I think of it, but I want her to try it. So, okay, give it a try. See what you think of it. What do you think?
It's really good.
Is it good? It's good, isn't it? Good. I know, right?
It tastes just like ice cream, but
it's just not
got
creamy.
A softer taste, like texture to it, not like a smooth. It's like a softer, like it just disintegrates away.
It's almost like a frozen fruit texture, kind of.
It's like
right?
a slushy.
Yeah, there you go. It's kind of like a slushy, but it's really good. Okay, you can go back to bed now. So there you have it, everybody. I say it was a total hit. I will definitely be making it again. And for those of you, like I say, that are vegan, lactose intolerant, just trying to watch your calorie and fat content, what a perfect alternative to regular ice cream. So I hope you guys have found this informative. And until next time, we'll catch you again.
Bye!
Bye for now, everybody.